the Foot Collective, their explanation of why glutes are not working is because that the glutes, it's in the wrong alignment and lacks mobility. That is not my explanation at all. The reason that your glutes is not working or you have dysfunctional glutes is because the fascial connection from your feet to the glutes never matured enough from a young age. It never reached the full metamorphosis. It never connected properly. So a gazillion hip bridges in the isolation format is not going to work for you. And my method of training is also very different from Brett Contreras because, again, he's going from a muscle perspective. He's getting women to have bigger glutes. Bigger glutes does not mean functional glutes. That's where the difference is. The training that we have works on building fascial connection from the feet to the glutes and abs, so you can actually use it in combat. We don't actually use too much weight in the entire process because it's a natural metamorphosis that happens in the body. In terms of the ankle mobility issue, I'm going to explain to you. It's in very simple terms. There are two types of ankle mobility issue. Number one is you can have limited ankle mobility, right, due to a stagnant fascia. Meaning you have stagnant fascia, you cannot properly dorsiflex, right? And you will have a poor glutes connection. In that type of sense, you are more prone to injury. That's one type. No fascial connection, limited range of motion. Bad. The other type is you can have good fascial tension, and this is what they see in the elite athlete, NBA athletes. They will tell you, if you listen to these past podcasts from these professional trainers who work with professional basketball or soccer, or it doesn't matter which field, but mostly in basketball is more prevalent, is that they will tell you they have very limited ankle mobility. It's very tight ankles. And what they want them to do is do a lot of these increasing dorsiflexion type of exercises. But they don't realize that those athletes' feet are morphed. We're talking about LeBron James. We're talking about James Harden. We're talking about Zach LaVine. Their feet have distinct signs of fascial tensioning. That also limits the range of motion a little bit. It's going to create ankle stiffness, okay? So you cannot have a limited ankle range or have a ginormous loose ankle with ankle stiffness. That doesn't come together. Ankle stiffness comes from fascial tensioning, and this fascial tensioning is what connects your plantar fascia all the way to your glutes. This is a very big misconception today.